Running Python and Django software, a website or an app can be tricky. You often need small updates and fixes, but not enough to hire a full-time developer. Sometimes the team that built your app initially might not want to do these small jobs. They prefer bigger projects, right? It's also hard to find freelancers for just a few hours of work each month. This might be something you are dealing with right now. And if so, this video will help you. I will show you how to get the right support for your software, even if it's just a little each month. We'll talk about how much it costs, what a good maintenance plan looks like, and why regular updates are so important for your software or website. So stay with me till the end of this video, and I will share some great tips for keeping your software running well. Hi, I'm Vitaly Podoba, the CEO of a software development agency named SoftFormance. We specialize in helping business owners maintain and support their Python and Django-based software, websites, and SaaS apps. So, how it all started? You decided to develop your software from scratch. Finding a team or a freelancer was easy, and they were eager to get started. However, the need for full-time monthly development work decreased after you launched your software to production, right? You only needed now them for a few tasks each month, and that's when you noticed that team's enthusiasm for maintaining your app was not the same, especially for just 10 to 20 hours or even 40 to 80 hours a month, right? This left you with a useful software, but no reliable support to keep it running smoothly. The original developers, busy with other larger projects, often put your needs last. Sometimes even urgent tasks had to wait for weeks for you. So what can you do in a situation like this? Ideally, when you start initially building your software, it's best to talk about post-launch support at the beginning before you hire a vendor. But if you are here watching this video, you obviously need a different plan, right? So what to do? There are agencies that can help with existing Python apps, like my agency SoftFormance. We usually take new clients with existing apps and offer them monthly care plans. So look for the agencies that has good experience and offers things like monthly help, regular fixes, and making sure your app is always up and running. Usually such a vendor will start with a code-based audit, then will onboard your project into their processes, and finally switch to a monthly support maintenance retainer. So, why does your software need regular maintenance, and what is the bare minimum for a monthly support retainer? First of all, it's daily backups to keep your data safe. In our agency, we're using Snapshooter service for daily backups. Secondly, it's quick fixes for urgent issues, like if your site goes down, for example, and we are using Pingdom service for these purposes. Third thing is security updates to protect against security threats. Then we have performance monitoring to keep things running smoothly. In our agency, we're using New Relic service to do monitoring. Then we need code versioning for tracking changes in your software. We're using GitHub for this. Then we have automated deployments for efficient production releases. Here we're using Docker in our company. Then we have error and log monitoring to spot and fix issues quickly. Here we are using Sentry service for errors tracking. Then we need version upgrades, especially for Python programming language and Django web framework, just to stay up to date and be able to upgrade our system on regular basis. Then we need set hours for development work and support. It might be 10, 20, 40 or 80 development hours a month. And finally, turnaround time. How quickly tasks will be completed. These elements are crucial to keeping your software in top shape. How much does monthly maintenance cost? The price depends on how complex is your project, its size, and how many development hours you need each month. Maintenance for a simple Python and Django website with no development hours might start at around $400 to $500 per month. For 20, 40 plus development hours support packages, prices will quickly cross $2,000 to $3,000 per month. At the moment of this video recording, at SoftFormance in my agency, we offer free monthly support retainer packages for Python and Django software. On the screen you can see right now, this is our 20 hours starter package. And this is our 40-hour soft package. And this is our 80-hour performance package. Please note that we don't offer plans for more than 80 hours a month. That's almost like having a half-time developer on your project, and for such a workload, you would typically get a one-day turnaround for all of your tasks and almost a dedicated developer for your project. So for higher volumes, standard support plans may not be the best fit. And also below this video, I included a link to the actual packages and prices that we provide right now in our agency. Now, if you have Python or Django software, a website or an app and want to improve it, then shoot me a message. We will do a free audit of your software and see if we can help. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my account and share this video with your friends.